Militer Rusia menggunakan rudal Iskander-M untuk mengeliminir konsentrasi pasukan dan peralatan berat militer Ukraina. Rudal Iskander meluncur di balik pepohonan ke wilayah Kharkov. Kombinasi serangan rudal jarak jauh, artileri dan serangan udara pada Rabu 11 Mei mengakibatkan lebih 280 tentara musuh dieliminir. Pasukan rudal dan unit artileri menyerang 407 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer, menghancurkan 13 pos komando, 4 posisi sistem rudal anti-pesawat OSA AKM dan 14 depot amunisi, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Maijen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Pada malam hari, operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer mencapai 93 aset, termasuk 2 pos komando, 69 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer, serta 3 depot amunisi angkatan bersenjata Ukraina. Serangan tersebut telah mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 280 nasionalis dan hingga 59 kendaraan lapis baja dan bermotor, kata Maijen Igor.
13 command posts, 4 positions of OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile systems, and 14 ammunition depots. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 280 nationalists and up to 59 armored and motor vehicles. Russian air defense means have shot down 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, 4 near Balakleya in Kharkov region, 3 near Rubezhne in Lugansk region, 1 near Snake Island, and 1 Bayraktar TB2 near Arkhangelsk in Nikolaev region overnight. In total, 164 Ukrainian aircraft and 125 helicopters, 807 unmanned aerial vehicles, 302 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,998 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 360 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,455 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,808 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!